and it's called FlexTack. Apply firmly with your fingers and voila! Welcome to the HellermannTyton Academy, the workshop for true professionals. Today I'd like to talk to you about a situation you've all encountered: how to route cables along curved surfaces, angled surfaces, tricky surfaces like paint. Until now you probably have to resort to screws or thick layers of adhesive, but no longer, because HellermannTyton has come up with the ideal solution. It's called FlexTack. It's a self-adhesive cable tie mount, and as the name suggests, it's very, very flexible. I'm going to demonstrate to you on a piece of curved aluminium how easy it is to work with FlexTack. This could be the inside of a lamppost or the cowling of your machinery. First step is to give it a good clean. Just standard surface cleaner. A bit of elbow grease doesn't hurt. Get rid of any residues. Take FlexTack, peel off protective backing. Apply firmly with your fingers. And voila! Now we've got a good cable tie mount base, and I can apply some cables to this. So it sits nicely. I take my Evo 9 cable tie gun. Guarantees I've cut it off at just the right tension. No sharp edges on here. Now you're not going to take my word for it that this is a strong bond. So I didn't do my weight training this morning. I brought it with me, and we're going to give this a stress test with the aid of a Q-tie. Oh, come on, come through. And it's a pre-locking function. We can slip this through here, and even with my left hand, I'm sure you'll agree, that's going nowhere. That's a very strong bond. Now, if you like FlexTack as much as I do, give us a like and subscribe to our channel, and tune in for the next installment of the HellermannTyton Academy, the workshop for true professionals. So, let's tidy up here. That was quick. Time for coffee.